Tap Freeze to freeze the ultrasound image. Then, tap Annotate, enter text for the annotation. Tap and hold while dragging the annotation to move it. You can also delete the annotation by tapping the X in the top right corner. Tap Freeze to freeze the ultrasound image. Next, tap Body Mark to activate the body markers available for the preset. A default body mark will appear in the lower left corner of the imaging area. Tap and drag anywhere on the image to position the indicator. You can also use the scroll bar to rotate the indicator. Tap outside the box to finalize the body mark.